Welcome to A-Tech. iOS 19 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting updates Apple has ever released, arguably the biggest overhaul since iOS 7. We're talking about a complete redesign, a brand new user interface, updated icons, redesigned apps, and much more. But that's just the beginning. Number 1. New Apple Gaming App. Apple is set to launch a brand new centralized gaming app that will replace the outdated Game Center. And it's not just for the iPhone, it's coming to iPad, Mac, and Apple TV as well. The app will feature achievements, leaderboards, and personalized game recommendations from the App Store and Apple Arcade. It will offer deep integration with iMessage and FaceTime, allowing players to chat, share, and possibly even play collaboratively or competitively. Excitingly, it may also support games installed outside the App Store on macOS, expanding the platform's gaming ecosystem in a big way. Number 2, Seamless eSIM transfer, even to Android. Another standout feature in iOS 19 is something that'll make switching devices much easier. Apple is reportedly introducing the ability to transfer your eSIM to an Android device, without needing to contact your carrier. Here's what to expect. The new option will appear in Settings, a General Transfer or Reset iPhone, possibly under a new section like Transfer to Android. A QR code-based method may also be included as a backup, making the process even more user-friendly. This feature is backed by code found in Google's SIM Manager, and it's expected to require iOS 19, meaning it's designed specifically for this release. This is a huge quality-of-life improvement. Whether you're switching to Android temporarily or helping a friend set up their phone, transferring your eSIM is about to become a whole lot easier. Number 3, iOS 19 Beta Launch. Just a quick reminder, iOS 19's first beta is expected to drop on June 9th. This update is going to bring major changes, from the redesigned UI and app icons to more intuitive navigation and game-changing features like the ones we just covered. That's it from today's video. If you liked the video, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe.